got me sleep deprived.
Say what?
I'm gonna tell Nigel how I feel. Sugar, that's probably not the best idea. Why not? Callie's been on my case about telling him.
Yeah, but now can you say rebound?
That's right, Summer. He just broke up with Alex. You gotta give him some time to get his head right. Oh, come on, y'all. It can't be that serious. They just got together around New Year's. Yeah, and it's March. March, really? Wow, where did the time go? Maybe it's a good idea to just focus on your new room and moving in. That's right. I almost forgot.
Yeah, our new room. Let's focus on that and change out of these princess dresses.
And there he is. I've spotted our vampire. Damon, where? Let me see. Stop it. And get down. He's coming this way. Aw, it's Damon. I'm gonna go say hi. No, stay down.
Hello? Anyone there? Wow. I thought I just heard my name. That's a little creepy.
Will you quiet down? You're going to blow our cover. I don't get why we're spying on him. Damon is really nice. Nice? He's a vampire. Well, that may be true, but he's a nice vampire.
No such thing.
One time, he tried to help his friend with dating advice. Well, it wasn't very good advice, so that's not a good example. Oh, I know. He helped Callie find Summer and Nigel in a snowstorm.
Probably for some sinister plan we're not yet aware of.
Oh, V. You're just a big ball of negativity. We should watch cartoons. They always make me happier.
No time for that. We have a vampire to hunt.
Okay, while you do that, I'm just gonna sneak away for a minute.
It is so nice to be back in normal clothes.
I don't know. I think a princess gown suits me. Princess Summer has a nice ring to it. Well then, are you ready to see your new palace? Yes! Oh my goodness, we worked so hard for this! No! We worked so hard for this! This room is a mess. It's a pigsty!
You know it's bad when Summer's complaining. She never cleans her side of the room.
Why do I feel like that was meant to be an insult? And yet, it's true. Oh, come on, girls. It's not that bad. And it's nothing a little elbow grease can't take care of. Oh, man. More cleaning.
Well, we better get started. We still have classes, you know.
Classes? Oh, right. We're in college. Hey, neighbors. Hello? Y'all remember my sister Sabrina, right? Oh yeah, what's up? Long time no see. I'm in the room right next door. I'm pretty quiet. All I ever do is play my music, so I think you're really gonna like it here. Welcome to the house. Aw, so sweet. It's like we have our own welcome wagon. By any chance, do either of you have housekeeping experience? Because we could use a little help with all of this. Oh, I believe cleaning refreshes your aura, and I would never want to take that away from you. So, enjoy! Oh no, please don't go! There is plenty of cleaning to go around, so everyone can have fresh auras.
Summer, I don't think anyone's falling for that. We might as well just get started.
Caroline? What about you? Want a Linda helping hand? Oh, sorry, I just remembered I got a term paper due tomorrow. Good luck! Et tu, Caroline?
And now she's speaking in Latin. This is gonna be a long day.
I am so happy to be back in my room where it is drama-free. Those girls are driving me crazy. Well, at least I can lay here and have some peace and quiet. Nigel! You will never guess who I just ran into. Is it someone who is going to add drama to my life? No. Okay, fine. Who is it? It's my brother Nick. Sup? I didn't even know you had a brother. Yeah, well, you know, it's like one of those brothers from another mother situations. This is good news. There's no drama at all. No drama? Why would there be drama? I wonder who that is. Probably the drama.
I hope Damon's home, and I hope V's not watching. But if she is, good thing I came up with a clever disguise. She would never recognize me. Because I gotta tell Damon that V's a vampire hunter and she's out to get him.
Jazz?
How did you recognize me? I bet you're using those vampire senses.
Wait, what?
You heard me. Vampire.
Now okay,
step aside.
Come in, why don't you?
I have something very important to tell you. It's a matter of life and unlife.
Unlife?
Who's that?
Oh, Jazz, I would like to introduce you to my brother. He's the closest thing I've got to family. We've known each other for like ever. Yeah, like 200 years.
Did you say 200 years?
He means that figuratively. Come on, knowing someone for 200 years, that would be crazy, right?
Where there's one vampire, there's more. V was right. I wonder what else she was right about. I've gotta go.
Wait, I thought you had something important to say.
Oh yeah, it's Taco Tuesday at the student dining hall. So hurry fast or it'll all be gone. Yeah, that was the news. All right, I'm out of here.
But it's Saturday. Who cares? As long as there's no drama.
What if Damon is dangerous? I gotta find V.
If everyone knew all the things I could do, should be down, I'm back on my feet. 'Cause all I really need is me. If I could just share my view, maybe I'm too taboo.
And we're done. So, what do you think about our new room? Pretty amazing, right?
Kinda looks like our old room.
Yeah, but we got 2 extra inches of floor space. And I haven't once thought about Nigel. Until now.
You seriously gotta find other ways to occupy your time. Like I focus on school. My classes keep me so busy, I don't have time to think about anything else. Besides, whoever I date has to be plant-based, loves animals, can ride horses, loves documentaries and political comedy, and is artistic.
Wow, that's some list there.
Yeah, needle in a haystack.
I don't know, Callie. I think your Prince Charming is out there somewhere.
The eternal romantic. Do you believe in unicorns too?
Ha ha. But I do believe there is a nearly perfect person out there for everyone. They might not have everything on your list, but if you can check the majority of the boxes, then you're okay. Well, as long as you can recognize them when they're actually in front of you. The whole time in high school, there he was. And I didn't see it. Okay. I got a joke. Why did Tigger look in the toilet?
I don't know. Why?
Because he was looking for poo.
Ew.
I get it. That is very funny.
I know, right? We have the same sense of humor.
Puffy, why you smelling so yucky? Every time that you dirty the kitchen floor.
Woohoo! What a great song! Everyone, give her a hand! So much talent!
Aw, thanks. I just don't get it.
Best song ever!
Aww. We had the same sense of humor, and he liked my music! Why didn't I see this before?
Don't be upset. On the bright side, we got the room we want, and it's nice and quiet.
Ah! Why is that so loud? Hey neighbors, hope you don't mind the music. I'm doing yoga next door. Okay, bye.
You have got to be kidding me. Jazz, where have you been?
I was following Damon, like you said.
Great. Did you find the nest? Are there more vampires? To be continued on the next Sommer Cali.